Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the 7 biggest snakes in the world. Snakes are fascinating creatures, and some of them can grow to be incredibly massive. Let's take a look at the 7 largest species of snakes on the planet. 1. The Reticulated Python. The reticulated python is one of the largest species of snakes in the world and can grow up to 33 feet in length. These snakes are native to Southeast Asia and are known for their distinctive diamond-shaped pattern on their skin. They are also good swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 10 minutes. 2. The Anaconda. The anaconda is another massive species of snake that is native to South America. They can grow up to 30 feet in length and weigh up to 550 pounds. Anacondas are excellent swimmers and are known for their powerful constriction ability. They hunt by ambushing their prey and squeezing them until they suffocate. 3. The African rock python. The African rock python is one of the largest species of snakes in Africa and can grow up to 26 feet in length. These snakes are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, savannas, and deserts. They are powerful constrictors and are known to attack and kill humans, especially in rural areas where they come into contact with people. 4. The Burmese Python. The Burmese Python is native to Southeast Asia and can grow up to 23 feet in length. These snakes are known for their adaptability and are often kept as pets. However, they have also become a major problem in Florida, where they have established populations in the Everglades National Park. 5. The Indian Python. The Indian python is native to South Asia and can grow up to 20 feet in length. These snakes are known for their powerful constriction ability and are often hunted for their skin, which is used to make clothing and accessories. They are also considered sacred in Hinduism and are protected by law in India. 6. The Green Anaconda. The green anaconda is another species of snake native to South America and can grow up to 17 feet in length. These snakes are excellent swimmers and are known for their powerful constriction ability. They are also one of the heaviest species of snake in the world, with some individuals weighing over 500 pounds. 7. The boa constrictor. Last but not least, we have the boa constrictor, which can grow up to 13 feet in length. These snakes are native to Central and South America and are known for their distinctive pattern and powerful constriction ability. They are also popular pets and are kept by snake enthusiasts all over the world. And there you have it, the 7 biggest snakes in the world. Snakes are fascinating creatures, and it's amazing to see how big some of them can grow. If you found this video interesting, make sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching.